This, my friends, is the Bomb Tom Trail Mix. I'm going to show you exactly how to make this. This is a fun one, super refreshing. Love the fruit, love the trail mix. Everything is organic. Let's go ahead and begin, my friends. Oh, you're gonna love this one. Just like all my videos, depends on where you watch this, what platform, YouTube Shorts or Instagram. I will have everything linked below, including these Ninja Creami stainless steel containers, the recipes, my recipe book, and everything you need. Once again, top link in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment. Let's get started on the Bomb Tom Trail Mix. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you need energy, the Bomb Tom Trail Mix is going to be your source. I have my Vitamix, my stainless steel Vitamix pitcher. I'm going to show you in just a second here, my stainless steel Ninja Creami containers. Everything, once again, will be linked in the description box, as well as the pinned comment. Depends on where you're watching this. The recipe, my recipe book, make sure you pick that up. I got a lot of recipes, as well as the Vitamix stainless steel container and the Ninja Creami stainless steel containers. These things are absolutely slap happy. Let's get started. Half cup organic blueberries. Alrighty, handful of strawberries, organic, of course. Dump them on in. And same thing with the mango. I have big hands, but we need our energy. Mango has been in, and it's been slap happy. I've been absolutely loving it. Blueberries, strawberries, mango. We're gonna add an organic banana right now as well. Ripe green banana, whatever you like it, however you like it. That's the way we're going to do it. Banana right on top. Now we're going to be adding 3 spoonfuls of organic unsweetened applesauce. No sugar added, from Trader Joe's. Sprouts makes a Honeycrisp one. Organic, absolutely slap happy. But make sure you're eating organic for everything. Don't be scared of fruit sugar. It is a lot different and processes a lot different than more natural way. Get away from refined sugar and get your carbs and get your natural sugars, especially if you're an active person. Don't be scared. I love natural fruit. Organic, of course. 3 spoonfuls of this. Just like that there. 3 spoonfuls of that. Now we're going to be doing 3/4 cup of water, 6 ounces of water right on in the drink right there. And now we're going to go ahead and blend it. What I like to do with my Vitamix is I like to kind of kick it on the low setting like a 2. And then after 30 seconds, I bring it up to about a 4 for about 1 minute total in time. 30 seconds on about 2, I start it. Then I go up 4 after 30 seconds for an additional 30 seconds, 1 minute total. This is going to come out like a really good smoothie consistency. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, super beautiful base, super simple, super easy. This is once again the Ninja Creami stainless steel containers. Highly recommend them. Look at it, it's frothing up already, like you're at a milkshake hamburger joint. So we're gonna go ahead and freeze this overnight. Each container does come with a BPA-free silicone lid. Get away from the stock ones, which are plastic. I can blend this sucker up. I can use one hand. I have no issues creaming up these suckers in my Ninja Creami. This is the XL 24-ounce size, but the seller does sell it in the 16-ounce size as well. Again, depends on where you're watching this. It will be in the pinned comment as well as the description of the video. Everything is there. Let's freeze this overnight. The Bomb Tom Trail Mix recipe. Stay tuned for this one. The Bomb Tom Trail Mix, ladies and gentlemen, frozen overnight, looking absolutely primo. Let's spin it. Once again, these Ninja stainless steel creamy containers, absolutely no issues with them at all. Let's pop it on in. Let's go ahead and turn on our machine. We're going to hit the full setting. We're going to go ahead and turn the dial left over to light ice cream, and we're going to push the middle dial for our first spin. Alrighty, high and dry like it normally is. So let's go ahead and carve out a center hole. Put about 4 ounces of water. I'm going to show you the creaminess texture that I personally like. And we're going to add some organic cinnamon. Just like that there, looking primo. Let's go ahead and spin it again. Alrighty, we are going to hit full once again. Click it left to light ice cream, but we're going to hit respin down here this time. Beautiful. Absolutely perfect. Alrighty, now we are going to be making our own organic trail mix. I do need to get my raw organic almonds from the pantry, but we have organic raisins from Trader Joe's, organic dried mangoes from Trader Joe's. We have organic pecans, organic walnuts, and I'm going to go grab, once again, my organic unsalted raw almonds from Trader Joe's. Okay, I got my organic raw almonds from Trader Joe's. And this is not applesauce, but these are raw, organic, unsalted pumpkin seeds from Sprouts. These things are bomb. Let's go ahead and make our own trail mix. Alrighty, we have made our own beautiful, healthy, organic trail mix. We got raisins under here, the pumpkin seeds, the mango cut up, the almonds, the pecans and walnuts crumpled up in my hand. Absolutely incredible, healthy trail mix. Okay, we are going to be putting half this in right now, and it is a warm day and I'm next to the stove, so it is melting quickly, so we got to work fast. So I'm going to put half in. Alrighty, and just like all my recipes, I need the carbohydrates. I'm an athlete. I walk 10,000 steps a day. I'm going on a nighttime mountain bike ride today. I work on my house. I walk around my property. I burn a lot of calories. So this is organic rolled oats, oatmeal, almost a third of a cup, not quite. Let's go ahead and dump that on in. I need the carbohydrates, not to mention adds a beautiful texture to it. I pick up this bag at Costco, a lot better deal than your health food store. Then I'm gonna add almost a fourth of a cup of Coach's organic oatmeal. This is more of a steel cut, but a little bit lighter, where it doesn't really need to be cooked. Raw is absolutely incredible. Adds great texture to the Ninja Creami. Alrighty, now we're gonna come back to our machine. We're gonna hit full once again. You know the story, left for Lite ice cream, but this time we're gonna hit mix in instead. Alrighty, looking absolutely beautiful. We are now gonna be garnishing this sucker up, so let's go ahead and do that and I'll talk you through what I put on top. Ladies and gentlemen, ooh la la, this thing came out dynamite. I love adding a little bit of pop of color. Now, you can kind of garnish it the way you want. I add some fresh fruit. I just added a few more little things on top just to make it pop with color. We got a little fresh organic pineapple, organic strawberries, organic grapes over here, the trail mix all in the front here, and a few organic blueberries just sprinkled, just like 3 or 4, just for color. As you can see, that's not even a full strawberry. That's a few grapes over here on this side. This thing will definitely keep you full for a while with all the beautiful fiber, natural fruit, sugar, carbohydrates of the oatmeal, etc. This is a fun one, ladies and gentlemen. You know, it always deters me to do this, but I got to do it for camera. Now it is melting. It is about 85 degrees right now, and the house is open. I'm not in air conditioning right now, so it's gonna melt fast. So I got to get this thing in the belly, but look at the consistency. Oh my goodness gracious. This, my friends, is the Bomb Tom Trail Mix. You're not gonna want to miss this one. Definitely make this one, enjoy it. Again, top link in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment. Depends on where you're watching this, Instagram or YouTube Shorts. Will be the stainless steel Ninja Creami containers, my recipe book, and this recipe. My name's Chris. I'll see you on the next video.